Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over a few additional functions. We'll first start by using the mid function, then we'll use the length and the lower function. Let's go to cell A195. We'll type equals mid. This will allow us to extract the middle characters within a piece of text. So let's hit tab. For our text, it's going to be in cell A194. We'll type a comma. Our start number, let's start it on the third character. So I'll type a 3, and then we'll type a comma, and then how many characters after that do we want? Let's type a 4, close our parentheses, and hit enter. So we just got ODBY. We can go to cell C195, and we'll type equals LEN for length. So we'll hit tab, and then our text is in cell C194. So we'll click that, close parentheses, and hit enter. This just counted the amount of characters, so the length of the word. So there's 7 characters. And then we can go over to cell E195. We'll type equals lower, hit tab. This is going to take our word and make it all lowercase letters. So right now, if we look at cell E194, goodbye is in all capital letters. So let's make this lower. So for our text, we'll choose that cell. So E194, close parentheses, hit enter. Now goodbye is in all lowercase letters.